Alright guys, welcome to today's video. My name is John Anaviolore. Thank you for checking out this video. So today I want to share with you guys a powerful thing that, is it a powerful thing? Okay, the proven way to actually collect leads. Yes, how marketers should be collecting leads. I mean professional marketers, yes, email marketers. If you understand the power of email marketing, you have an email list and you understand how powerful having an email list is, then you need to pay close attention to this, because I've seen a lot of marketers, even big marketers, professional marketers, make this same mistake. They don't collect their leads the right way, and that's what I'm going to show you inside this video, how to collect leads the right way. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget subscribe to my channel. You're welcome on board. You're going to get high valued video series on my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, make sure you can leave in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. Yes, there's a link under this video. You'll find a link to contact me on Facebook, so you can ask me questions if you don't want to leave a public comment on Facebook. So okay, let's get inside into what I want to share with you today. So now the thing I actually want to say is basically, when you are trying to build your email list, you're trying to grow your email list, you want to get new leads, new customers, new subscribers into your email list, it's very important. Two things are actually, one thing, the major thing that's important you actually want to get is your visitor coming to your scripts page, to your landing page like this. You want to collect, the number one thing is to collect their email. You want their email address. Now, that which is basically, that's what every marketer should be looking out for, to collect their emails. But do you know it's going to actually reduce your conversion rate? Yes, it's like you just sitting, just grabbing emails. You don't care about your customer. You don't want to know about them. You don't want to relate with them. You don't want to grow a relationship with them. You don't want to know deep into who they are or how you can help them or how you can just interact with them. You just want their emails, and then you keep on firing and then blasting emails to them over and over and over again. No, that's not what you should be doing. What you need to do, in fact, what pro marketers should be doing, is you collect their name and their email address. Yes, it's very, very, very important. Their name and their email address. It's very necessary. Now, the reason is very, very simple. The reason is very simple. And I also send, I send I think 3 to 4 emails to my subscribers once in a week. And in my emails, most times I personalize my email. I personalize it, that is, I mention the name of my customer, I tag them, there's a feature, if you are an email marketer, if you have an email list, then you understand pretty much what I'm trying to say. You can actually put in, there's a feature you can use, and then put the name of your subscribers. So once your email goes out, let me try and see if I can get to one. It's gonna be hard, I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to find one now. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you need to make sure you collect your customers' email addresses. So here is an page I saw somewhere. You can see someone is trying to give out an information how to make 200k every month online in Nigeria. So this person is only asking for the email address, and then that's all, just the email and then everything. So this kind of person, honestly, if the person is actually collecting name, is collecting the visitor's name alongside the email address, whenever he's writing his messages or sending out messages to his subscribers, he can easily personalize and say something like, "Hello John, how are you? Hello John, how are you?" Or even deep inside the content of the email message, he can always personalize his content and then mention the name of the subscriber, and that will go a long way to actually, engage with your subscriber and then relate to them and then win them, because personalizing your emails will go a long way to work for you. Now, if this person is actually getting conversions with his email marketing, in fact, assuming he has a name linked assuming he actually collected name alongside with the email address for his list or for his subscribers, then he can even get 10 times more results on that. And this I think I saw another one again. I think I saw another one again. So let me see, you can see again the same thing right here, and it's a very big mistake. You don't do this when you are collecting email. I've checked out, I actually checked out top marketers, and I couldn't even find any of them using one email, just collecting email address. No, they go for the name and go for the email address. So when you are setting up your opt-in form, your squeeze pages, you want to collect your visitors data, their information, and you are trying to grow your email list, your subscriber list, you need to collect their name and their email. That's the best way. It's going to help you in a very long way to get conversions when you are mailing your subscribers, when you are mailing your list. Even in your headlines, your subject lines, you can just personalize it and say, hello, John, this is for you. You need, I wish I can find. All right, so I think let me see. All right, so I just found an headline right here, the subject line. You can see, so this is a subject line, one of my emails I sent out, and you can see, and in fact majority of these emails, inside the contents of the email, I actually personalized it, so I get a lot of replies. People reply me to ask questions, 1 or 2 questions and all of that. But you can see this is one. You can see the subject line. It says the subject line was "please pardon me." So that was the subject line, and then I include the first name. That is a string, a string inside your email marketing that you can actually use and personalize your content. Sometimes you could actually use different kind of variations, maybe the last name, gender, whatever, different things inside your guest response account. So you can see this is it. The headline was "please pardon me." Then this is the name of the subscriber that actually replied this mail. So you can see okay, I wish I can open the enemies. I don't know. So yeah, I think in this email I was actually trying to just relate with my subscribers, and then the guy replied and said, "No, I'm not a child, sir, but so and so," because that mail was actually well personalized. I used a lot of my subscribers first name inside that email, so I was getting a lot of I used to get a lot of response whenever I mail out to my list. So it's very important when you are growing your list, make sure you don't just collect the email address, you collect the email address and then you collect the name as well. So you need the name and then the email address of your visitors before they get into your list. So that's all about that about this video on how to how to collect leads like a professional email marketer. So if you have any question for me, you can ask in the comment section below, or if you don't want to ask in the comment, you can actually go ahead to Facebook right here. There's a link under this video to get to my Facebook profile. So it's going to bring you right here. You can connect with me. Let's connect together, let's talk together. And then if you have any question, yes, you can give me a line on Facebook. We're going to talk together, or maybe on WhatsApp. Yes, there's also a link. So not WhatsApp, on Telegram. There's a link to one of my group on Telegram. Yes, you find it. Don't worry, anywhere, whether Facebook or Telegram or anywhere, I'm going to respond to you, so you can ask me questions anytime. So one more thing I need for you, please, I just need you to help me. Please, if you are new to my channel or you've been on my channel watching my videos, please go ahead and just hit the red button under this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I need it. Please subscribe to my channel, and you will never regret it. I'm going to be sharing. I actually get a lot of responses on Facebook. People say they love my videos. I wish I can share some. Maybe one day I'm going to dedicate a video on feedback from subscribers who have actually said they appreciate my videos, great content and many things. So if you are new to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You will never regret it. I'm going to be sharing lots and lots and lots of value content, you guys, all for free. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavirori, and I really appreciate you for hanging on to the end. One thing, please subscribe to my channel and then enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.